here with Cece. She does cross country. Cece, how do you think your season's going so far?
I think our season's going pretty good. We have our first meet today, so I'm a little nervous because it's like most people's third meet, but I feel like with the summer training and all the mileage we've built up, I think we should be pretty good today. But yeah, still pretty nervous, but I'm excited.
Nice. Okay. I'm here with Sirach Kellogg. He plays LHS men's soccer. Sirach, how do you feel about your season?
I would say we've had our ups and downs. I mean, our first game we won and we were controlling the game pretty well. Our past two games, it wasn't great. They were really good teams, big kids. I'd just say we have a lot of new kids, a lot of new kids, and they're new. Either they're new to the sport completely, or just new to this level, or they're just small. Like our team is small. I'm not that big, obviously, and a lot of these kids that we're playing are seniors. These are senior teams. The whole starting line is seniors, big experienced kids. I mean, it's good for us, especially when we're trying to build up our program again, because it took a pretty big hit during COVID and whatnot. But yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. I think we can get a lot of stuff done. We can get a lot of goals. We have a strong offense. We're still working on that defense, but we got this.
Riley Robinson, she's a volleyball player here at the high school. Riley, how do you think your guys' season will play out?
I think we've had a tough start, but we've had some tough tournaments and games to play that will only make us better. I'm hoping to be in the Final 8 tournament at the end of the season.
Good. Good luck with that.
I'm here with senior Carson Weimer, plays football here at the high school. Carson, how's your senior season going?
Good. I think the team's doing well. We have a lot of talent on the team, a lot of strength. Our depth is really good, and I think our coaching staff, is leading us to the right place where we need to be. I think we get a couple things fixed over this bye week, and we'll get the ball rolling.
All right, thank you, Carson.
Hello, I'm Rayleigh. Today we're going to be baking cupcakes. This is Kenai.
Kenai, mine's probably going to be the best cupcake, so
yeah,
I think the best.
Alright, let's get cooking. Okay, I think my cupcake turned out really beautiful. I was actually not planning to do this, but it turns out I'm not very good at frosting cupcakes. So this is what we got. It's good. I like it.
Turns out mine actually worked out. This is how I was planning. I believe that this is going to win and beat Rayleigh's non-cultured cupcake.
You guys first.
Guys!
Oh, there's like not good pieces. Okay, here. Really funny. Okay, it's supposed to be crunchy. The sprinkles are a little bit much. It's really sweet, but it has culture. Next. Next! Nice. Yeah. Somehow it's sweeter. Oh, yeah. I think my home coast is Rayleigh's overall. Yeah. It looks better.
Tastes better.
How about United?
Those are crunchy.
Yeah, you guys, the sprinkles are just a little bit
Too much. I vote for Rayleigh.
oh, really do. So that's 4 for Rayleigh, 1 for Kunai. Sorry. Rayleigh's the winner.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on.